ओके, चलिए अब तो क्लास आ गई होगी, इससे थोड़ा सा इशू आ गया था, ठीक ना। नो वरीज, स्टार्ट करते हैं अलजेब्रा का पहला पार्ट। जस्ट वॉच पेन का कलर, ठीक। इज इट ओके? There issue. 1 second, there is an issue. I resolve it. Now it will be okay. ओके, ठीक। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। अलजेब्रा से स्टार्ट करेंगे, ठीक ना। बिल्कुल बेसिक से अलजेब्रा, जिनको भी अलजेब्रा में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, कोई भी इशू है, तो आप यहाँ से अपने अलजेब्रा को सही कर सकते हैं, इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं, बेसिक को क्लियर कर सकते हैं। तो वी स्टार्ट अलजेब्रा फ्रॉम द आइडेंटिटीज, ठीक है। अलजेब्रिक आइडेंटिटीज जो होती हैं उनसे स्टार्ट करेंगे, ठीक है। सो अलजेब्रिक आइडेंटिटीज में पहली अलजेब्रा की आइडेंटिटी जो होती है, आप जानते हैं ए प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर। सो ए प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab। देन सेकेंड, ए माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर, a minus b whole square mean a square plus b square minus 2ab. Next one is a minus या a plus b का whole cube, there is an identity a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b. Is it okay? You can say this identity can also be written a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Is it okay? Now a minus b का whole cube, a minus b whole cube. You can write this identity also like that, a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Mean this identity you have learned like this, a cube minus 3ab ब्रैकेट में a minus b and minus का b cube. So when you open this identity, it's become a cube 3a square b minus plus 3ab square minus का b. Is it okay? Now you have to solve the question on these identity. Okay, so see, if anybody say x plus 1 upon x plus 1 upon x is equal to 4, then find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. X square plus 1 upon x square. First, second, x cube plus 1 upon x cube. Okay. So what will be the value? If you know x plus 1 upon x is given, then you what will you do? Find out the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. Just you square on both sides. Mean x squaring on both sides. You get the value of x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2ab means 2 into x into 1 upon x is equal to 16. So here it becomes x square plus 1 upon x square. You cancel out x and x is become 4. Okay. So you can say if x plus 1 upon x is given, then you can find out the value of x square plus 1 upon x square simply by squaring them and subtract 2. Means x plus 1 upon x is equal to, if a given hai, then you can find x square plus 1 upon x square by squaring a square minus 2 and subtract this one with the formula. Okay. Now come to the point x cube plus 1 upon x cube. How you find out? So you know x plus 1 upon x is given is equal to 4. So how you find the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube? Just by use first compare these the power of these values. You get the value by cubing. So you is cubing on both sides. Okay, just like here you squaring on both sides. So now here you cubing on both sides. When you cube on both sides, then you get the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube plus 3x into 1 upon x, because 3ab, then 1 a plus b means x plus 1 upon x. Is it okay? Is equal to 62. So you get x cube plus 1 upon x cube. Cancel out these values. Okay. Plus 3 x plus 1 upon x is equal to 4 already is given. Sorry, 4 only. 1 upon 4 is equal to 64. So what you will get, x cube plus 1 upon x cube is equal to 64 minus 12. You get the value 52. So you can find a general formula. You can say x cube plus 1 upon x cube can be a cube minus 3a. Is it or not? X cube minus x cube plus 1 upon x cube is equal to a cube minus 3a. Okay. Next question. We should try number of question on this formula. If anybody say x plus 1 upon x is equal to 5, then find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. First, second, x cube plus 1 upon x cube. What do you do? Now you get that when squaring is when you need to square, then you what do you do? You just square 5 square means 25 and separate from these two is equal to 20. Again, if you are finding out the cube, then you make the cube of 5. It's become 5 cube. and subtract 3 times of 5. 3 into 5. So 125 minus 15, you get the value of 100. This is the answer. Okay. Next, if there is value given x is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. 3 plus 2 root 2. Anybody asked that, and the value of x plus 1 upon x, yeah, or x square plus 1 upon x square. What will you do? Find the value of x square plus 1 upon x. So first you need to find out you should check this x plus this is difference of squaring between them. If the difference between the squaring them is 1, yeah, I have checked there is a difference between the squaring of them is 1, then you can say, right, yeah, in 1 upon x, it will become directly 1 upon 3 minus 2, sorry, x here. This directly become 3 minus 2 directly. Can make this value by conjugating the x. Okay. Now you have to find out the x plus 1 upon x. So what is the value of x plus 1 upon x? You should add these two values. It becomes 6. Now you can find out the x square plus 1 upon x square. X square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 36 minus 2. Mean squaring and then separate 2. It's become 32. Is it? It's a very easy. Next one is, so you can find out the number of question on the basis of square. Okay. Now next proceed. If anybody say find the given x plus 1 upon x is equal to 4 and say find the value of x to the power 5 plus 1 upon x to the power 5. Okay. X power 5 plus 1 upon x to the power 5. Then how you can find the value of this? So first you need to make the formula. If x plus 1 upon x is equal to given is equal to 4, and you have to find out x plus 1 upon x to the power 5. So you know it's come by only multiplying, means x square plus 1 upon x square. If we multiply, and x cube plus 1 upon x cube, we get the value of 5. But there is some extra values also, so we can check. It's become x power 5, and this one 1 upon x. When you multiply by this, you get the value of x plus 1 upon x to the power 5. So you get the value of x power 5 plus 1 upon x to the power 5 plus x plus 1 upon x. Is it or not? You get the extra x plus 1 upon x if you multiply these values. So you need to subtract the value of x plus 1 upon x, you get the value of x to the power 5 plus 1 upon x. So how? Mean we have to find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. Okay. So how we get this value? Get by only squaring. Squaring 16 minus 2 is equal to 14. Now to find out the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube. This value get by cubing, means 64 minus 12 is equal to, okay. Now you get you can get the value of x power 5 plus 1 upon x power 5 means 4 into 52 minus x plus 1 upon x is 4. Is it okay? Yes. You can take common 4 into it's become 51 is equal to 4 1 ja 4, 4 5 ja 12, 204. Is it? Okay. Next one is same way. In same way, I am saying if x plus 1 upon x is equal to, there is value 3, then find the value of x power 5 plus 1 upon x power. What is the value of x power 5 plus 1? So you can find the value by simply solving. Mean you can say it is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square. Is it? Into x cube plus 1 upon x cube minus x plus 1 upon x. You will get the value of x power 5 plus 1 upon x power 5. Okay. So, you know, if x plus 1 upon x is 3, then what is the value of x cube? X square plus 1 upon x. Mean you have to square and then subtract 2. Means it becomes 7. Multiplied by this. So, this one is by cubing and subtract 3 times. Cubing means 27. 3 times means 9. It's become 18 and 3. So, 18 7 ja 126 minus 3. It's become 120. Simple. Okay. Now you will get the formula also of x power 5 plus 1 upon x power 5 when x plus 1 upon x is given. Okay. Now come next type question. You have to make the for these notes. If anybody say x plus x minus 1 upon x, see x minus 1 upon x is equal to 4 and then ask and the value of x to power 5 minus 1 upon x to power 5. So what you do is this time he is asking x power 5 minus 1 upon x. So first we need to make the formula easily. So we can say x square plus 1 upon x square. Then we need minus, so we should multiply x cube minus 1 upon x cube. Is it or not? Then what should be remained? You have to subtract from this. So what should be remain? If you know, otherwise you can make the formula also here. Okay, like that you should multiply. You get the x power 5 plus minus 1 upon x. Okay, you should multiply by this. You get the 1 upon x means x minus 1 upon x to power 5. Okay, so check. You get the value of x to power 5 minus 1 upon x to power 5 and plus x minus 1. You get extra x minus 1 upon x in this time also. So we need to subtract this x minus 1 upon x. Is it or not? Then we get the value of like that. Like that mean you get when you get the value of x plus 1 upon x is equal to something a, then how you get the value of x power 5 plus 1 upon x power 5? You know, just before it, you get this value x square plus 1 upon x square. Okay, and then multiplied by x cube plus 1 upon x cube, and then you subtract this. Okay, you subtract this means a, yeah, x plus 1 upon x. You subtract, you get it. Okay, so similarly here you get also by subtracting this way. So first we need to find the x square plus 1 upon x square. At this time you need to square. 4 square means 16 plus 2 18. Then multiplied by cubing x cube minus 1 upon x. So how you get the value of x cube minus 1 upon x? You make cube means 64, then add 3 times of 4 means 12. This become 4 to 6, 168, 76 multiplied by 76. Then subtract 4. Okay, yes. Now multiply 18 6 are 108, carry over 10. 18 7 are 126 or 10 136 minus now 8 2 4 4 6 3 1. Here we get the word. Okay, now so there is an important formula on the base of q. You should know also. That one is AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3AB. It's become A plus B plus C bracket, in second bracket, A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus C. Okay. Now there is condition if A plus B plus C is equal to 0. Then AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3AC is equal to 0. Okay, this one. And same at the same time, A square plus B square plus C square AB BC CA is equal to, this one become 1 by 2 in bracket, just 1 second, bracket A minus B whole square plus B minus C whole square plus C minus A. Okay, so you can find the value of this also. Maybe if you want to write this formula, you can replace the value of A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA in equation first. You get the formula that is AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC is equal to 1 by 2 A plus B plus C. Bracket A minus B whole square plus B minus C whole square plus C minus A whole square. Is it? You can write this formula like this also. Okay, now we have to find out the some question on this formula. If anybody say, if A is equal to 95, B is equal to 97, C is equal to 99. Okay, then anybody say find the value of A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus C. So what do? You have to remember like the formula which I told you. Okay, G. So you know A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus C is equal to half of A minus B whole square plus B minus C whole square plus C minus A whole square. Okay, now you get the value. You can check by 1 by 2. A minus B means you have to write the difference which become 2 square plus B minus C, second difference 2, equal at the square of difference. C minus A 99 and 95 it's become 4. You get the value 1 by 2. 4 plus 4 plus 16. Okay, so it's become 24 divided by 2. It's become 12. Get the answer. Okay, yes. Now one more important identity we need to do the question. If x plus under root x plus 1 upon root x is equal to 1, then what will the value of x power 15 plus 14 x power 14 x power 14 upon 1 upon h power. So if you know this root x plus 1 upon root x, then what do you do? You should make and also find the value of x power 15 plus 1 upon h power. Okay? Right, the value of root. So root x plus 1 upon root x equal to 1. So first we need to make the square. Okay, if we make the square, then what will the value of it become x plus 1 upon x is equal to mean minus 1. Squaring on both sides. 1 minus 1. Okay, x plus 1 upon x is equal to minus 1. So if we make the square, it's become square x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to again minus 1. Is it or not? So what we do to find the value of 14? See, any option? If you make the cube, see here. If you make the cube, it's become x cube and it's become 1 upon x cube, and here minus 1 minus 3 times of this, minus 3 times of this one. 1 minus minus plus is equal to 4. Is it or not? So now what should I do? Did you know anything? No. If you are doing like that, it's become very difficult. So what we need to see here. Now I'm going to a short clip. See here. You get the value of x plus 1 upon x is equal to minus 1. The value of x plus 1 upon x is equal to minus 1. Then it should x cube is equal to minus 1. How? See here. X cube is equal to, yes, plus 1. It's plus 1. Not, see, it's become x square plus 1 minus, you can carry here, x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Now you can multiply by x minus 1 on both sides. So you get x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. So it's become x cube minus 1 cube is equal to 0. It's become x cube is equal to 1. Okay. Yes. If x plus 1 upon x is equal to minus 1, then x cube is equal to 1. If x cube is equal to 1, then you can find the value of this. Simply it's become 3 x cube power 5 plus 1 upon x cube power. If this one is 1 plus 1, it's become, okay. Now you have to find the value of x power 14 plus 1 upon x cube power 14. How you do it? Yes, you can make this also. It's become x 14. See here. It's written x power 14 plus 1 upon x power. You can write, you can make 15 x power 15. Okay, then what do? You can divide this by x. Simply. You can multiply x, right? So what do you get? It's become x power 15 mean 1 x plus this one part x. So x plus 1 upon x is equal to, no, x plus 1 upon x is equal to minus. Okay, yes. So there is a condition. There is a condition if x plus 1 upon x is equal to 1, x plus 1 upon x is equal to 1, then x cube is equal to minus 1. If x plus 1 upon x is equal to minus 1, then x cube is equal to plus 1. You can use this identity and find the answers. Okay. Now, we need to find out the unit digit number. Unit digit number. How to find the unit digit number? So unit digit number you can find if, see here, if any number means you can say some exclusive number, even number, any even number is written on there and power is multiple of 4 means 4n, then you get always unit digit number 6. If there is power odd and multiple of power 4, get the 1, except 1, 5 and 6. If any power on these number, any power on this number 1, 5, 6, you get any power, you get respectively these number 1, 5, 6. Okay, see some question. If I say find the power 3, 4, sorry, एक second. If say find the value 3, 2, 4 to power 24, 6, 4. What is the unit digit number? You first check this is the even number and this is a multiple of 4. So you can write directly the value of 6. Unit digit number is 6. Because I said the power if multiple of 4 and the number is even number, you get the value of 6. Okay. So you can use these formula and try to solve the algebra and unit digit numbers. These are most important questions. Okay. Thank you for watching the session.